Imagine living in a society where people enjoy longer, healthier lives, sickness is rare, and energy seems endless. What if the secret to this wasn't just medicine, but the everyday habits of ordinary people? Welcome to Japan, a country where longevity and wellness aren't accidents, but carefully nurtured routines. Today, we'll uncover 10 Japanese habits that keep people healthy, vibrant, and largely sickness-free. Stick around, you might just want to adopt some of these into your own life. Japan consistently ranks among the countries with the highest life expectancy in the world. The average life expectancy is around 84 years, and Okinawa, home to the famous Blue Zone, has residents who regularly live past 100. But it's not just genetics or healthcare. It's daily habits. From what they eat, how they move, even how they think, these tiny choices accumulate over a lifetime, creating a shield against disease. In this video, we'll dive deep into 10 Japanese habits that can transform your health, improve your immunity, and even add years to your life. Whether you're looking to boost energy, prevent illness, or simply adopt a more mindful lifestyle, these practices are surprisingly simple but profoundly effective. 1. Eating a balanced plant-based diet. One of the most profound secrets to Japanese longevity lies in their daily meals. Japanese cuisine is not just about taste. It is a philosophy of balance, simplicity, and nutrition. Traditional meals are mostly plant-based, with rice, vegetables, tofu, seaweed, and occasionally fish forming the core of every plate. Unlike many Western diets, processed foods, sugary snacks, and saturated fats are minimal. Take Okinawa, often called the land of immortals. Here, the diet is overwhelmingly plant-heavy. Residents rely on sweet potatoes as a staple carbohydrate instead of white rice, alongside bitter melon, seaweed, green leafy vegetables, and soy products such as tofu and miso. Fish, when eaten, is usually grilled or lightly cooked, preserving nutrients. The result is a diet low in calories but high in vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants that fight inflammation, protect the heart, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and cancer. Portion control is equally important. The Japanese practice hara hachi-bu, a Confucian teaching that encourages eating until 80% full. This mindful restraint prevents overeating, supports digestion, and maintains a healthy metabolism. Beyond physical benefits, meals are also visually pleasing, arranged in small, colorful portions, which encourages slower eating, appreciation of food, and greater satisfaction. By combining mindful eating, nutrient density, and moderation, Japanese meals act as daily medicine for the body and mind. 2. Regular physical activity, not exercise obsession. While many cultures equate fitness with high-intensity workouts or hours in a gym, Japan takes a more natural approach. Physical activity is seamlessly woven into daily life rather than being a chore or a scheduled event. Walking or cycling to work, climbing stairs instead of taking elevators, and tending gardens are not optional, they are routine. In Okinawa and other parts of Japan, older adults practice gentle movement through activities like Tai Chi, yoga, or traditional martial arts. These motions improve flexibility, strengthen muscles, and support balance, reducing the risk of falls. Children naturally get exercise by walking to school or participating in school sports, reinforcing healthy habits early in life. The science is clear. Moderate, consistent movement enhances cardiovascular health, maintains muscle mass, supports joint health, and improves mental resilience. The Japanese concept of ichinichi no undo, daily movement, is about consistency over intensity. Even small amounts of habitual activity, repeated day after day, accumulate to produce powerful effects on overall health and longevity. 3. Prioritizing mental health and mindfulness. Health isn't purely physical. The Japanese recognize that a calm mind nurtures a healthy body. Mindfulness and mental well-being are deeply embedded in culture. Practices such as meditation, tea ceremonies, and Shinrin-yoku forest bathing are not mere rituals but lifestyle essentials. Forest bathing involves immersing oneself in nature, breathing deeply, and absorbing sights, sounds, and smells with intention. Scientific studies reveal that forest bathing lowers cortisol, the body's primary stress hormone, enhances immune function by increasing natural killer cells, and improves mood and cognitive function. Tea ceremonies, meanwhile, emphasize ritual, presence, and deliberate movement, encouraging mental clarity and reducing anxiety. By integrating mindfulness into everyday routines, whether through quiet reflection, contemplative walks, or deliberate pauses in the day, Japanese people cultivate emotional balance. This mental resilience indirectly boosts physical health, lowering the risk of stress-related illnesses, cardiovascular problems, and weakened immunity. In short, a calm mind is a cornerstone of a healthy body in Japanese culture. 4. Consistent sleep patterns. In Japan, sleep is treated as a sacred component of life, not a luxury. Traditional homes are designed to promote restful slumber. Minimalistic bedrooms, tatami mats, and natural light exposure help regulate circadian rhythms. Heavy blankets or electronic distractions are avoided, and bedrooms are kept quiet and serene. Consistency is key. People maintain regular bedtimes and wake times even on weekends, supporting hormone regulation, memory consolidation, and immune function. The Japanese also embrace inamuri, or brief naps in public when culturally acceptable, allowing micro-rests during busy days. These short restorative pauses boost alertness and productivity without relying on caffeine or stimulants. Quality sleep strengthens immunity, supports heart health, enhances mood, and improves cognitive function. By respecting the natural rhythm of the body, the Japanese demonstrate that longevity is not just about diet or exercise, but also about the restorative power of consistent, mindful rest. 5. Drinking green tea daily. Green tea is far more than a simple beverage in Japan. It is a daily ritual that nourishes both body and mind. Packed with antioxidants, polyphenols, and catechins, green tea supports cardiovascular health, combats inflammation, and has been linked to reduced risks of certain cancers. Many Japanese drink several cups a day, often replacing sugary beverages entirely, making it a low-calorie, nutrient-rich choice. Beyond the science, the act of preparing and savoring green tea encourages mindfulness and a moment of calm amidst a busy day. The ritual itself, heating water, whisking matcha, appreciating aroma and color, fosters presence and mental clarity. Some studies even suggest that regular green tea consumption can improve metabolism, aid digestion, and enhance cognitive function. In essence, this simple daily habit combines nourishment, hydration, and mindfulness, forming a small but potent shield against sickness and stress. 6. Strong hygiene practices. Hygiene in Japan is not just a personal choice, it's a deeply ingrained cultural value that shapes public health. From early childhood, Japanese people are taught to wash their hands regularly, cover their mouths when coughing or sneezing, and wear masks when ill, a practice that long predates global pandemics. Schools reinforce these habits by teaching children to clean classrooms, organize their personal spaces, and respect communal environment. Bathing is a cornerstone of hygiene and wellness. The Japanese ofuro, or hot bath, is more than a way to clean the body. Immersing in hot water soothes muscles, improves circulation, relieves stress, and even aids in detoxification. In rural and urban areas alike, onsen's natural hot springs serve as communal spaces that nurture both physical cleanliness and mental relaxation. This meticulous attention to hygiene reduces the spread of infections and strengthens the immune system. Cleanliness is not just a routine, it is a lifestyle that contributes to the remarkably low rates of infectious diseases in Japan. By combining personal care with public responsibility, the Japanese demonstrate that good hygiene is both a shield and a form of respect toward oneself and toward the community. 7. Maintaining social connections. Loneliness can be as damaging to health as smoking or obesity, yet the Japanese maintain strong social networks throughout life. Family meals are a daily ritual, reinforcing emotional bonds, while the elderly actively participate in community clubs, volunteer activities, and cultural gatherings. Neighborhood associations, local festivals, and tea houses all foster intergenerational interaction and a sense of belonging. These social connections provide critical emotional support, reduce stress, and enhance resilience against mental and physical health challenges. Studies show that people with strong social ties experience lower rates of depression, cognitive decline, and even heart disease. In Japan, community is not optional, it's woven into the very fabric of life. The simple act of maintaining relationships, sharing meals, or celebrating traditions together contributes directly to longevity and overall wellness. 8. Exposure to nature. Japan's breathtaking landscapes are not just for beauty. They are a vital part of daily wellness. Regular exposure to nature, whether through gardening, walking in local parks, hiking mountains, or simply enjoying cherry blossom season, has profound physical and mental health benefits. Sunlight naturally boosts vitamin D levels, strengthening bones and immunity, while fresh air and gentle activity invigorate the body. Natural scenery, trees, rivers, and mountains reduces stress hormones, lowers blood pressure, and improves mood. The practice of Shinrin-yoku, or forest bathing, is a traditional and scientifically supported approach to wellness. It involves immersing oneself in forests, breathing deeply, and engaging the senses fully. Studies reveal it enhances immune function, lowers cortisol, and even improves sleep quality. In Japan, interaction with nature is habitual, not occasional. Gardens are carefully maintained in cities. Seasonal festivals celebrate natural cycles, and the elderly often spend hours tending plants. This daily communion with nature nurtures the mind, body, and spirit, proving that longevity is as much about environment as it is about behavior. 9. Moderate consumption of alcohol and fermented foods. Moderation is a defining principle in Japanese culture, and it applies to food and drink. Alcohol, such as sake or beer, is enjoyed socially, but excessive drinking is discouraged. Meanwhile, fermented foods like miso, natto, pickled vegetables, and soy sauce are dietary staples, consumed daily. Fermented foods are rich in probiotics, which support a healthy gut microbiome. A well-balanced microbiome improves digestion, strengthens immunity, and even affects mental health through the gut-brain connection. Regular consumption of these foods can reduce inflammation, enhance nutrient absorption, and lower the risk of chronic diseases. By balancing small indulgences with functional, nutrient-rich foods, the Japanese maintain a holistic approach to wellness. Meals are not just about pleasure. They are carefully designed to nourish, prevent illness, and sustain energy. This approach, combining moderation, tradition, and science, creates a diet that protects the body throughout life. 10. Prevention and regular checkups. Prevention is the backbone of Japanese health culture. Regular medical checkups, screenings, and vaccinations are routine, not reactive. From childhood through old age, people are taught to notice early signs of illness, consult professionals promptly, and adopt preventive measures before problems escalate. This proactive mindset means that many diseases are detected early, when treatment is more effective and recovery is faster. Combined with balanced nutrition, habitual movement, hygiene, and mindfulness, preventive care ensures a strong defense against illness. Japanese preventive culture extends beyond clinics. Public health campaigns, workplace wellness programs, and school education emphasize lifestyle choices, nutrition, and mental well-being. By blending individual responsibility with societal support, the Japanese create an environment where longevity is nurtured every day and sickness is minimized. Prevention, in Japan, is not just about medicine, it's a lifelong practice embedded in everyday choices. From mindful eating to daily movement, from connecting with nature to nurturing social bonds, these 10 Japanese habits offer a blueprint for living healthier, longer, and happier lives. You don't need to adopt every habit overnight. Start small, choose one or two that resonate, and integrate them gradually. Over time, these simple changes can dramatically improve your health, boost immunity, and reduce the likelihood of sickness. If you enjoyed this video and want more insights into habits that improve life, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And let us know in the comments which Japanese habit are you most excited to try. Remember, longevity and health aren't about shortcuts. They're about consistent, mindful choices every day. Start today, and your future self will thank you.